mag-aaral ka mabuti kasi hindi ka magugutom. So every time na-insecure ako na, oh my God, what is my future life? Mag-aaral ako.
Achiever ka pala sa school and so.
Oo, kasi doon ko nakukuha yung validation.
So,
Lapis kami na
na eh. Showbiz, kailan ka pumasok? Kasi graduate ka. Pwede kang mag-ibang landas.
Correct. In fact,
Sabi lang ano yata ang first love ni Kabina.
kaya alam my dad was murdered in the 1988 elections. So
Yeah,
that kind of
Hindi.
na-disillusion ako.
Kasi never pa man niya nagalaw si Kabina.
Now I talk to, kanina ko hihingi ng advice. Diba? So,
Ang interview sila.
right after that, and then I started modeling. Diba? Ako cases for men. Habang
Swerte ba si Florin ba?
and then, trabaho ako sa Philippine Airlines.
Kaya masakit ang ano no.
Became a cabin crew, while modeling. And then, doon na yung through modeling, parang
May partner na siya ngayon.
Pero of course, alam na
Ay, may mula isa.
kapatid ko si Robin. And at that time, nagpipick si Robin. So, napunta ako ng iba, nakita ko ni Boss Dave.
Okay.
Hindi ka mag-artista, gusto mo mag-artista.
Hindi ah, ang galit tayo, ang galit tayo, Bem.
Kontrata.
Unto siya.
Parang macho na siya.
Unto siya.
Ang niliisip ko lang, okay, now I can buy my car. Yung kikitain ko in 10 years, pwede ko kitain in 1 year. So why not?
Kasunod ni Robin si yung papa ni Daniel.
Actually, a dramatic actor. Ang mga partner namin, hindi na Bonelli, Alice Dixon. So, more of the dramatic actor genre. Pero parang naging nasa matinee idol because tinanggap kami nung, tapos nakapagkaroon ng relationship kay Carmina, which is so parang ang naging audience
Kasi ano man na,
at the high school. Ibang-iba kay Robin. Robin was being sold then or being parang marketed then as the bad boy of Philippine movies, and then I was the good boy.
Miscast na naman.
Complete contrast.
So you work with Carmina sa
Si ano kasi si Robin kasi pagka bad boy ba?
And then, out of all the showbiz leading ladies, bakit siya yung nagustuhan mo at that time?
Diba, si Rostom na last time. Siguro may little sa sweet and petite and mistisa. Yan yung type ni Rostom nung araw.
How old were you when you got married?
26.
Baby face kasi yan si Carminas nung dalaga pa.
When you proposed,
Chronologically but psychologically.
Baby face ba?
you thought you were ready
I thought I was ready.
at 26 years old. Bakit nag-propose si Rostom?
I think kanina yung Rostom were very much in love with each other at that time. Hindi sila niliwan.
Pero hindi sila nagkasal.
They always took
Bagay ba sila?
Hindi sila nagkasal?
So,
Hindi.
siguro
Ay, great, kikasayan sila.
Nagkasal na?
siguro kung walang confusion. Sa akin.
Nag-anal.
Hindi ka mo magalaw?
What was that like being married? Kung bakit?
Kasi pagkasal kasi, nagiwalay din yun sila agad.
Bakit? Nasa
Very,
surgery.
very insecure sila. Very sila. So,
Naman sa kasal.
As far as
Ay, kagwapo na lang yun.
na dapat hindi. Now looking back,
Pangit din noon siya karon.
kaya natawag siguro hindi yan. Kasi yun yung naging effect
Ayos
sa
ba?
kanya. Yung parang there was no reason to be
Hindi
insecure.
ba ganyan?
Oo. I mean, educated, at meron
Huli naman ganyan nabawa na bayot siya.
really, so yung wala, and there's nothing to be insecure about.
Pero the insecurity was rooted in
Dun sa, siguro yung sa traumatic experience, at the back of his head, there's this, ganito ka ganito ka. So, na hindi na-resolve, hindi napag-usapan, hindi siya kinausap. So, parang lahat yun.
Hindi na-heal.
Hindi na-heal.
So, di ba, if you do not heal, you will bleed on the people who didn't hurt.